In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grid in Microsoft Word. Adding a grid to your Word document can be incredibly useful, whether you're looking to design a newsletter, create a custom calendar, or simply organize your text and images more precisely. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to see and utilize the grid lines in your document, making your layout tasks much easier. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Word. You'd usually start by clicking the Windows Start menu. For many of us, this is second nature, but for those who might be newer to navigating Windows, you can find the Start menu icon typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the little icon that looks like a window. Once you've clicked on it, the menu will pop up, showcasing a variety of applications and options. Next, you'll want to locate Microsoft Word by typing Word into the search bar that appears at the top of the Start menu. As you begin to type, you'll see that the system dynamically searches for relevant applications, files, and settings. Microsoft Word should appear under the best match as soon as you start typing. It's handy to know that the search function in Windows is quite powerful, allowing you to quickly find and access any application or file you need. Once you've located Microsoft Word in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will launch the application and you'll be greeted with the Word Start screen. From here you have a couple of options. If you're starting a new project, you can go directly to the Word Home, where you can select a blank document or choose from a variety of templates. Alternatively, if you're looking to add grids to an existing document, this is the point at which you'd open that document, either by finding it in your recent document list or by clicking Open to browse your computer's folders. With your document open in front of you, your next step is to navigate to the View tab. This is located at the top of the Word interface, along with other tabs such as File, Home, Insert, and so on. The View tab is designed to let you customize how you see your document on the screen, offering various viewing options and tools that don't affect the printed version of your document, but can greatly enhance your ease of editing and layout planning. Under the View tab, you'll find several options, but for our purposes, we're interested in the Show group of options. Here you'll see a checkbox for grid lines. Click on it and voila, you'll immediately see a change in your document. The invisible grid that underlies your Word document will become visible, overlaying faint lines on the page to help you align text, images, and other objects more precisely. It's worth noting that these grid lines are for visual aid only. They won't appear in your printed document or PDF unless you actually insert a table or draw explicit lines where the grid lines are. This feature is incredibly useful for ensuring everything is perfectly aligned without having to guess or constantly adjust objects by tiny amounts. Another helpful tip is to combine using grid lines with the Align tool, which you can find under the Format tab when you select an image, shape, or another object. This can take your layout precision to the next level, allowing you to align objects relative to each other or to the page itself. So, there you have it, a simple guide to viewing and utilizing grid lines in Microsoft Word. Remember, the key to a great layout isn't just about making sure everything fits, it's about creating eye-pleasing alignments and symmetry. With the grid lines feature, you're now equipped to do just that, elevating the professionalism and polish of your documents with ease.